Hey folks, I'm Rob.
And I'm Nathan.
And we are
Two Guys in a Ride.
And today we are at the Shed in beautiful Warroad, Minnesota.
Now the Shed is a private collection of 90 plus classic and unique cars that's open to the public and owned by Bob Marvin. And if you want to visit, we've listed their contact information in the description below the video. Well, what do you say, Rob?
Oh, I say,
let's go for a ride.
Well, it was a bed and breakfast when it was a hospital. They just cut on you a little bit too.
Oh, there's the fountain you were talking about.
And then that's his brother George's house, but that was built on the site of their parents' house, Bill and Marvin.
Okay. So does his brother work at Marvin Windows too?
They're all retired from it now.
Okay.
U.S. or is that Canada?
That's U.S.
Okay.
When they did the ice road, that's where you have to go out from Springsteel, go over to the American side type thing.
road starts here?
Yeah. That was
Wow.
the first year they ever had. Because the people at the angle, they couldn't come on this side.
Yeah.
They couldn't leave this.
So what was right next to you got all your 4 power window switches, right?
Yeah.
Then you got a wash button. Oh, that's your windshield wipers.
Yep.
Oh.
Headlights here.
Headlights
Cruise
there.
Control there.
So that's a wrap on another fantastic vehicle, and we really want to say thank you to the great folks here at the shed in War Road, Minnesota. And this is Rick and this is Doug. You saw them in their videos. And of course the owner, who's not here right now, but we do want to give a shout out to Bob Marvin as well. But before we leave you, make sure to leave a comment below, click that subscribe button, and
Ring that bell notification so you never miss one of our videos.
that's it. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Rick, Doug, and me. We'll cut that part out.
Yes, we will.
I almost tried.
Hey.